Hi guys, how you doing? I've just got a package today, so let's see what's in this. I know what's in this, but yeah, I've had one before, but I hadn't had this newer one. So let's get into it, and I'll show you what it is. As one sec, I'll just let me pause this. Alright, I've got it, and here it is. The original Samsung Gear VR box of that word there. I don't know how to I don't know, but I'm sure everyone will know that. Yeah, it's a Samsung VR 2, so it looks really nice. Right, let's get open it. I just let me pause it again. I'm just holding my phone right now, so alright, I've opened it. So here it is. Just let me have a look at that. That's wrong way around. That's random. Right, here it is. Some stuff on the back, so if you want to pause that, you can actually do that. So there we go. Right, there we go. Right, here it is. Here's the headset. It's got the Samsung above there. There's the goggles to look through the VR. Also some straps and adapter thing. That's handy. There's the Samsung manual, which we don't really need, because I've had one before and I know how to work it. There's the box there. So that's all it is. It's just, you can't really see inside it because I'll need my phone for that. Here's, I'll try and open it. Right, there we go. There's inside of there. Yeah, it looks not bad for 28 quid, to be honest. You can actually see down here. Hello. But yeah, it's just a short video, to be honest. I'll be trying this out. So yeah, can actually see inside this. I might do a might try and see if there's any software to, you know, play games and stuff on here, and I can actually just stream it or something, or do videos. So yeah, I'll be trying this on. I'll be putting the straps on them, and then see how it goes. I'll be getting the computer version HTC 5 in a couple of months or so. That'd be good. I can play VR on that thing, that beast. Yeah, that's the zoom in and out thing to get in focus. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's not bad. £28 on eBay. It's 360. You can watch 360 movies on here and apps and games. Watch 2D and 3D of your private owned cinema. Oh, okay, cool. I can watch yeah, I probably won't need that big TV for my movies, and I can just watch them on here when I go to bed or something, you know, and just turn it off when I go to sleep, obviously. So yeah, easy to turn it off. So yeah guys, I'm going to be doing more bus videos tomorrow because it's snowing right now. And it'll be snowing all week, so depends really. So yeah, I'll see you later guys. Bye bye for now.